We'll take a look at the snow here at the North Star California Resort out in Truckee. You can see it just sticking to the ground. Looks pretty thick out there too. But Dan, you know, we've been talking about it here at home. We've got some wet weather, strong winds, even chances of snow. Probably, I don't think it's going to look like this, but probably a little.
Well, I mean, we need some very tall pine trees like that, I suppose, around here. But yeah, it's going to be an interesting couple of days. Could we see snow in our coastal cities? The answer is yes. It's possible over the next couple of days. Will we see accumulating snowfall making streets slippery? No, not in our lower elevations, but we will in the mountains. We could see flurries or at least some snowflakes reaching the lower elevations. And maybe if a storm downdraft is strong enough, we could see a little snow, maybe even collecting on the grass a bit in some lower elevations. Yeah, we're looking at a real winter storm here, and we got a couple of days for this to happen. We're going to be under this cold area of low pressure for several days, and all the while we'll continue seeing rounds of showers. Each one of those showers may have a downdraft of cold air that could allow snowflakes to reach all the way down to sea level. Now, realistically, the freezing level is going to be about 1,500 feet or so during the daytime, and nighttime a little bit lower. So accumulating snowfall possible in our mountains. In fact, I do expect a lot of snow in our mountains over the next couple of days. It is going to be snowing in the Santa Cruz Mountains this week. It is going to be snowing in the Santa Lucia range. And we've got some other alerts to tell you about as well. So let's get into that. We do have a high surf advisory. This is until tomorrow. We'll continue to see some big waves coming in. 20 to 25 foot breakers on those north and west facing beaches. There's also a beach hazard statement for the north side of the bay and enhanced risk of rip currents. It's going to be kind of stormy out there for the next couple of days. Maybe you don't really want to head to the beach, but please be careful if you're near the water. Now, we mentioned snow potential. Winter weather advisories for all of our mountainous areas. Monterey, San Benito, Santa Clara, Santa Cruz counties, above 1,500 feet in elevation, expecting snow. Above 2,000 feet, maybe 2,500, we're going to get a couple inches of snow. And up in the higher elevations, we could be talking feet in the Santa Lucia range, above around 3,000 or 4,000 feet. So definitely a lot of snow in the mountains. It is going to be a winter wonderland up in the Santa Lucias. Also, cold air for the next couple days may mean if we do clear out long enough at night, we could be dealing with some frost and freeze issues as well. But I don't want to focus on that just yet. We'll talk about what's going on right now. Temperatures in the 40s. It is still windy out there. The winds will continue overnight, but ease a little bit. Maybe not as strong, but we're still seeing some very strong gusts out there. And looking at our temperatures overnight, again, we're going to stay probably in the low 40s for most coastal cities. So no major issues out there tonight. Radar picture is still showing a few light showers out there. We're going to see isolated showers overnight, mostly in western Santa Cruz County, and then pretty much in the coastal mountains and maybe the peninsula in Monterey County. I don't expect too much inland overnight. That may change tomorrow. The bigger picture reveals that we're just kind of getting started with this. The wind picked up today. The actual center of this storm system is up in Washington State still. So the big trough is digging in here across the west coast. We've even seen a little bit of lightning out over the open ocean. Very cold air is coming in, and the ocean is actually heating that air and causing instability, which is why we're seeing thunderstorms offshore of Oregon and Northern California, and the potential even here for some thunderstorms over the next couple of days, although that may not be the biggest thing in your mind. So I want to talk about what's going to be going on, what some of the bigger hazards are. We get into Futurecast and show you overnight again. Showers fairly isolated, mostly for our coastal zones, western Santa Cruz County, western Monterey County overnight. The snow level already down to around 3,000 feet tonight. So the cold air already coming in aloft. As we head into the day tomorrow, shower chances will start to increase inland as well, but will continue mostly along the coast. So what you could see with any one of these showers is a brief downpour, maybe a little bit of soft hail or graupel, which is a snow pellet, and in maybe even some lower elevations, you may still start to see some snowflakes. The snow level will drop pretty quickly tomorrow to 1,500 feet tomorrow afternoon. So we already will be seeing some snow, I think, in most of our mountainous areas, especially near the coast. Inland, we're not seeing a lot of precipitation just yet tomorrow. But again, as I mentioned, it'll start spreading inland tomorrow afternoon, and we'll continue to see rounds of showers moving from northwest to southeast across the region. You might even see some gaps and get some sunshine tomorrow afternoon as well. So it's not going to be an all-day rain event, but you may also get 4 or 5 rounds of showers tomorrow. And again, if you're in the mountains, that may mean snow for you. And this is going to continue all day tomorrow, all night tomorrow night, and we roll things into Thursday morning. All day on Thursday, we're going to continue seeing this cold air pushing over the warm water relatively warm water of the Pacific, causing this instability and making showers. Those showers will make it inland as well. And then we'll see the focus of that actual storm system get far enough south that I think we'll see a little bit more widespread rainfall as we head into late Thursday night into Friday morning. Winds will probably pick up quite a bit then again as well. We see it getting quite a bit more active as we head into Friday morning. That'll be kind of the finale of this system. But I think the thing that most people are going to be talking about with this storm, obviously the wind today, which will be a little bit lesser over the next couple days, but will still be blowing, will be the snowfall. Now, again, snow levels, 1,500 feet. 90%, maybe 95% of the KI1 viewing population is below that number, but some areas are not. So let's talk about that. So I'm going to run things all the way. This is through Thursday afternoon. This is future snowfall, and then through Friday morning. Now, here we go. Prunedale, Salinas, Watsonville, Santa Cruz, the Monterey Peninsula, not showing anything. But as I mentioned, you could get a few flurries really tomorrow, Thursday afternoon, all the way through Friday morning. But look at some of these totals. I think they're a little bit high in some instances up in the mountains. Again, this is computer projection. Bonnie Dunes, 6 inches of snow. East of the Highway 17 summit, 11 inches of snow. How about Fremont Peak, 10 inches of snow. The Pinnacles, 6 inches of snow. Pacheco Pass, 3 inches of snow. You drive that road. You don't want to drive that in the snow. That road's treacherous enough as it is. Highway 17 could be talking about several inches of snow by the time we get to Friday morning. Upper Carmel Valley, a couple inches of snow. That's past the village. You might get a little bit of snow in the village itself. So this is going to be a winter storm, we'll remember. And unfortunately, we're starting it off with those gusty winds tonight. Let's quickly look at your temperature forecast tomorrow. I'm going to go through these pretty fast here. Highs only in the 40s in the Santa Cruz Mountains. And again, if you get one of these showers overhead, the downdraft will carry that cold, icy air from the clouds. We can see temperatures drop quickly into the low 40s when it's raining. So these are kind of optimistic highs for tomorrow, assuming we get a little sunshine. 51 in Salinas. But again, you're just going to spend most of the day in the 40s tomorrow. And even a strong downdraft could get the temperature into the upper 30s in places like Monterey mid-afternoon if you get some of that melting snow coming down out of the sky at you. Over to the south, again, chilly temperatures out there. So let's look at the 7-day forecast. Again, wind is going to continue for the next several days. Showers will continue Wednesday, Thursday, and then have a finale, it looks like early Friday before tapering off. Will be dry but cool this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. And then another system arrives next week. That one looking cold as well, actually. Inland areas, look at your average highs for the next several days. Upper 40s. It should be around 65 this time of year, so some very cold temperatures. We're going to get you through it. Please stay tuned to my forecast in the coming days. We'll be keeping an eye on those snow levels and let you know what to expect. Anna?
All right, thanks so much for that, Dan.